Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you install Ollama on Android with Termux, run AI locally, 2026. Let's get started. Install Termux. Download Termux from F-Droid, not Google Play. Run Termux setup storage to grant file access. Update packages. Run package update and in package upgrade. Why? Then install curl, git, and prut. Install Ollama. Run package install Ollama. Why Ollama has official ARM64 support for Android. Start the server. Launch Ollama daemon with Ollama serve and verify with Ollama list. Download a model. Run Ollama run Qwen 3.5:0.8b to download and chat with a 1 GB model. Try more models. Explore Llama 4 E2B or LFM 2.5 for different capabilities. That's it for today. Subscribe to Kola Lawal for daily AI on Android tutorials. Get the complete guide with all the scripts and troubleshooting at lawalfataikola.gumroad.com. See you tomorrow.